How to narrow or broaden the research topic. When do you need to narrow the topic? Well, you may have picked a topic with too much information. It may be too general or just be too broad for the assignment. Here's an example of a topic, marine debris. If you researched just this idea, you would get too much information. It's just too broad. So ask yourself some questions. Who, what, when, where, or how as it relates to the topic? What kind of debris? How does it affect the ocean? Where specifically is it impacting? Answering some of these questions makes the topic narrow and manageable. The impact of plastic marine debris in the Pacific Ocean is a much better topic. When do you need to broaden the topic? Sometimes the topic may be too narrow or specific, and when researching, you realize there just isn't enough information covering the idea thoroughly enough for your paper. Here is an example of a narrow topic: plastic bottles polluting Myrtle Beach ocean waters. There may not be enough information on this, so think of questions to broaden the idea. Are there related issues? Is there a larger geographic or population impact? What other topics are related to the original idea? What other time periods does the topic cover? Who are the key players in the topic? In this example, thinking about related issues, you can use the broader spectrum of all plastic marine debris. You could also consider a larger geographic area, like the Atlantic Ocean. These changes deliver a much better topic: impact of plastic marine debris in the Atlantic Ocean. For additional assistance with broadening or narrowing your topic, contact one of the HGTC librarians. And thanks for watching.